this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple orange and blueberry detox drink that will naturally aid in weight loss, increase energy levels, fire up your metabolism, detox your body while giving you lots of energy to help go about your day. I will explain the benefits of having this simple drink as part of regular diet at least 2 to 3 times per week and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy drink consists of only 3 simple ingredients and is easily accessible. These ingredients are half a cup of chopped orange slices, a quarter of a cup of blueberries and a glass of water. Once you have everything gathered, add all the contents to a glass and mix until you have a consistent texture. And then once you're done, place all the contents into a jar or container and place in the fridge to be left overnight. For the most effective results with this drink, make sure to have a glass first thing in the morning, as soon as you get up on an empty stomach. This simple and healthy drink not only helps boost the immune system, it also helps detox the body, to help lose stubborn belly fat while aiding in digestion, and is packed with loads of super healthy nutrients and vitamin C to help cleanse and boost your immune system so that you have more energy. This is a simple drink that won't take long to prepare, and you will be amazed how great it will taste to get your day off to the perfect start. If you're looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and have more energy, be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. If you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.